Yeah.
Nothing use.
Yeah. On the telephone at 313-808-3520. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Yes, my name is Charles Lyons. That's Lyons.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lyon.
Good morning.
On the Samsung device, the gentleman sitting there with the glasses on the black T-shirt on.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Jeter.
Michael Jeter.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Come on.
I don't believe you paid.
No, I don't get paid till tomorrow.
Well, you said you would pay by today.
Yeah, I thought I would have enough on my first check to be able, I just started working back working in April. And so I thought I would have enough. I get paid every 2 weeks. But unfortunately, I didn't.
Are you gonna have to pay by tomorrow?
Yes, absolutely. Yep, I can come down in the morning and pay it.
All right, come on down in the morning. We'll close it out.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good day. iPhone 5, good morning to you. What's your name, please? With the hat on. Take your hat off, sir, please.
I'm a female.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. What's your name, man?
Megan Lawson.
Say that again.
Megan Lawson.
Lawson.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And the Zoom user. What's your name, please? Unmute yourself and start your camera.
Oh, this should
Zoom user, good morning to you. Start your camera, Zoom user. I'm sending you the prompt. There's about to be another Zoom user. I'm gonna let in the room. It's gonna jump you.
Gregory.
Having 2 Zoom users. I think one just left.
Just tell you.
What's your name, please?
Gregory, Mario Gregory.
I've already spoken to you, Mr. Gregory. You don't have to mention it again.
Okay.
Eliminating. There you go. Thank you, Brian.
On the Zoom user, I'm gonna put you out.
All right. I'm playing the game.
All right, let's go ahead and get going. This Barrett, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Renard Gregory. Case numbers SP 112833141, SP 113597991, SP 11627131, SP 11980611, SP 11706262, count 1 and count 3. Appearance for the record, please. I'm sorry, Ms. Williams.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Mario Gregory. Judge, well, I'll let you talk.
Also call SP 1128313, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 1135978. SP 1162695, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance, state your name for the record, Mr. Gregory.
Mario Gregory.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I don't know if you want to rehash these cases or not. A lot of them are default, have been in default for some time. And he's got a 21 to 25 over, a disregard or red signal. Those points potentially could have come and gone. Let me see. I do have an offer. Well, not necessarily. Okay, so all of them are still pending. So even though they're old, so the offer for Mr. Gregory, as it stands right now, I don't know if it's on the offer sheet. Miss Mason. I'm not looking at the right sheet. Miss Mason, I believe these offers that you gave me, they have the sheet was created 2019. I don't see Gregory on here. Ms. Mason, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. I was in the breakout room.
All right. Gregory is not on the offer. Mario Gregory, he has 11 counts. He's not listed on the offer sheet. Why don't you, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with and see if you can give her offer.
So he's not even on our sheet.
He's not on your sheet. He's on my sheet.
I got my sheet yesterday, so.
Yeah, it looks like your sheet was created 1 minute before our sheet was created too. So I don't know if that's the reason why or not.
Okay, Barrett has all the charges.
No, she doesn't. Give Ms. Mason an updated sheet. Send her an updated sheet. All right, I'm gonna pass the matter, Mr. Gregory, and your attorney will let you know that you have an absolute right to a trial. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna pass the matter, let them talk and figure out offer, and then I will then I'll let you speak with her. Let's pass that matter. Anthony Gibbs.
Here.
You Anthony Maurice Gibbs?
Yes. Sure.
To you. City of Detroit. versus Anthony Maurice Gibbs. Case numbers SE 09, strike that, SE 07792771, SE 9161121, 1951555021. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibbs.
Anthony Maurice Gibbs.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
In a not guilty plea on his behalf, we'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibbs, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't. I never had a driver's license.
Okay. So this is a 2019 ticket, 2018 ticket. And this other ticket, failure to verify, I don't know what that is. That's a 2008 ticket.
For the offender registry, Judge.
Is that what that is?
Usually it's charged in circuit court, but
all right, so you want to set a trial date? Or take the offer. The offer is, as it stands right now, that's a state charge on the failure to verify. The failure to display is $240 fine. What's it take for you to get a license?
Just once I get these 2 tickets taken care of, I can get my license.
These tickets aren't affecting your license.
Secretary of State had informed me that when I went to them.
That was years ago, right?
No, that was in the last 6 months.
if that is in fact a offender ticket, then it probably would affect his license if it's old.
Oh.
Those are a mandatory suspension, I think.
Is that what that is? That's
I can't see the ticket. I'm just guessing. I mean, based on my experience.
It says failure SOR to verify. So
it's sex offender registry.
And Your Honor, that's not supposed to be on my record at all. I mean,
this is 2000 and this is 2008.
Right.
So I'm kind of likely that, you know, I don't know if anybody from 2008 would ever remember something that long ago.
Your Honor,
Michael. Yeah. There it is.
I just want to move for dismissal. I don't think these tickets are handled in this way anymore. I do believe that they're handled in court. I don't think that they're writing them as misdemeanors at this time. Traffic offenses.
Who's that talking in the background? All right.
Probably does it. You think that they want to see you? That video.
I don't see it. I don't see it on here, Ms. Soroki, on his driving record. It appears that he can go get a driver's license. Well, I do see what's preventing him, potentially preventing him from getting a license, is this thing out of Warren. He pled on his guilty plea, but I don't see a reinstatement for that. Looks like Warren is messing your license up.
Well, Secretary of State told me there's two
There you
tickets that I got out of Detroit on driving on a suspended license. She told me that I couldn't get my license until I took care of that with that court, which was 36.
Those aren't messing your license up. I don't see why they told you that.
She said I had to pay the fine for it to come off my record. I couldn't get a clearance because I still had an active warrant.
Oh, well, now you're not gonna have a warrant. So I can give you an opportunity to get a license. Now you're not gonna have a warrant. Because I'm seeing both of these have reinstatement dates of October the 1st, 2021. The 18 ticket reinstatement date October 20. On the 2000 is the 2015 ticket that has an October the 1st, 2018 reinstatement date. So that was reinstated some years ago. The only thing I'm seeing that doesn't have a reinstatement date is this driving my license suspended and warned in 2009. The disposition date was 2014. By the way I read this is this is 2000. This warrant is gonna affect you. Yes,
it's not a warrant. It's not a warrant for warrant. That must be something old.
You're not understanding. You're not understanding. I'm not saying there's a warrant for warrant. What I'm saying is there never was. It doesn't seem like there's ever a clearance for a warrant. Who is that talking? It never was a clearance from warrant sent to the Secretary of State. It says it's been taken care of back in 2014, but I don't see a reinstatement date on that. All the other ones I see reinstatement dates. I'm gonna just set a trial date for.
I need sugar.
August the 27th, 2024. August the 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. That's going to give you an opportunity to either go back to the Secretary of State. I recalled the warrant. Either go back to the Secretary of State now or go to Warren first or vice versa, whatever you do. And I believe that you should be able to, and that should give you an opportunity, time enough to bring a valid driver's license back in here. All right?
Okay.
All right, and these two tickets, I can understand that them not giving you a license if there was an active warrant, which is no active warrants anymore. But I think that warrant is gonna affect you moving forward because of there is no reinstatement date on that ticket. So you may need to get them to send that abstraction over to the Secretary of State, but either go to Warren first and then the Secretary of State, or go to the Secretary of State and see what they say. If there's something else we can do, you can zoom back in, all right?
Okay.
But come back on August the 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. We'll get resolution to all of this.
Sounds like a plan.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Gibbs. Best of luck to you.
Thanks.
Judge, for
Yes.
Mr. Gales, can we just get a trial date per talking with the city attorney?
Gales is set for trial.
I'm sorry, Judge. I'm in Mario Gregory.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mario Gregory. I'm going to set a trial for August the 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay, August 27th. All right,
Mr.
thank you.
Very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you, Judge. I still got that other one.
All right. Can you get your key number, Ms. Barrett?
43238.
Ms. Harris?
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gregory, you got your trial date. You're free to leave on August the 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Harris. What do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Stedman Owens is set for trial at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
I do want to let the court know that I've sent several text messages and a letter, and I have received no response from my client. I'm not sure if he's checked in today.
Is Owens here? Stedman Owens? All right, we'll find out if he comes, all right? So just, if you have something to do, you can just check back in.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Plissas, morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good morning, Andre.
Yes, Mr. Gordon is set for trial. If he is checked in, would it be too much trouble to have a breakout room with him?
Not at all. Mr. Gordon, are you here? Andre Gardner Gordon? So I don't believe he's arrived yet.
Okay, I haven't had any contact with him. I'm hoping he shows up.
We'll see. If you want to go do some other things, you can come check back in.
Thank you so much. I'll be back in about 30 minutes.
Any other retained counsel? What about these reviews? I had is there a Jaleisha Gatson? Ms. Gatson? Is there a Jamila Gore?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamila Charmaine Gore, case number SP 154288811. State your name for the record, please, Ms. Gore.
Jamila Gore.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a review.
Yes.
See, let's look each other in the eyes, Ms. Gore. What's going on?
I think the review was for my $500 payment. I made that payment on the DivDev app that you had gave me or referred me to.
Safety course.
Okay, I wasn't aware that I had the 30 days to do that course. I thought it was just a payment based on our last discussion.
All right. So you want to get the course done and get this behind you?
Yes, I'll do that as soon as possible. I can try and see if something is available today. Is for clarification, is like a gun safety course like the same course that you take for like a CCW or something like that? I just want clarification.
Safety course, I'm sure they have them online. You think a company named eBay, EVAY, does a lot of those courses. So
EVAY.
And you can check with probation. Did I assign you to probate, refer to probate? I didn't refer to probation. I was allowing you to get your own gun safety course.
Okay.
So
okay, and then I only have one other question for you. I do apologize. The precinct that confiscated the weapon stated that they needed an order to return the property or the firearm, and I had to come in to get that. Is that correct?
You have to draft an order up.
Okay, so I would just have to get the form online on 36th District and bring it into the courts?
Yep, and then I have to make a decision on whether I'm going to sign it or not.
Okay. All right, I just want to make sure that what they stated was true. I wasn't quite for sure.
Okay, yeah, I believe that might be the case, so.
Okay.
Let's get the, you want that gun back, don't you?
Oh, definitely. I definitely live in that area.
I hope you're not just gonna be firing it off in the city anymore.
No, Your Honor.
All right.
It's for my personal.
All right. Let's see. I don't remember the specific.
Our next review, I do believe, is October, because I did receive a notice. I think October 30th or the 15th. We have another review.
What possessed you? Tell me what possessed you to fire this gun at that time.
It was under celebratory situation where I wasn't.
Oh yeah, you told me that.
Yeah, so that was definitely
not a smart thing to do.
Definitely ignorance on my behalf for sure. Not understanding gun laws, and because I'm used to seeing other people do so, it was under an assumption that it wouldn't reap any consequences, but definitely understand moving forward.
When you hear gunshots going off in your neighborhood, doesn't that strike a little bit of fear in you? It certainly strikes fear in me.
No,
I'm wondering where they're shooting. I'm wondering if my kids are okay when they're not in the house, and it certainly strikes them. It doesn't strike any fear in you?
Unfortunately, with the area, Detroit, it's something that you almost, I wouldn't say become immune to, but you then become, I'm gonna say me personally, and it's not to give any positivity to my actions, but it's almost as if I've become so used to it it just happens. So it may.
Okay, so you say that, so that means you're okay with it?
No, absolutely not. It's not okay. Nothing that doesn't make it right.
Absolutely not. And that's what I'm getting at. You're absolutely not okay with people firing guns around your home and in your neighborhoods and stuff like that. But yet, and I think we've already had this conversation. This is more of a conversation for everybody else too. But yet you do the same thing that you don't want done around you. And do you have a CPL license to carry this gun?
No, I do not.
Okay, so you didn't take a class then. All right, well, I'm thinking that class is really gonna help you. But I think you get the point. How long is it gonna take you to finish this class? I'm gonna give you another 30 days, all right?
Okay. It won't take that long. I'm actually about to look it up once we finish here and complete it.
July 1st, 2024 review, all right? Come on back then.
Okay, I'll see you then.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Sandra Gould? Sandra Gould here?
I'm here.
Where are you? Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
Does it strike fear in you when you hear gunshots going off in your neighborhood?
I don't hear them, but yeah, I would. I stay in they don't shoot around here, but I would be scared if I hear them.
It definitely scares me. She must stay in, I don't know, I won't tell her.
I'm in Ohio. I'm in Cleveland, Ohio.
I know they shoot guns in Cleveland, Ohio.
The suburbs. I live in Westlake. They don't shoot over here.
Come on. Oh, all right. I was about to say, you don't stay in Cleveland, Ohio.
I live in Westlake, Ohio.
All right. Let's see. City of Detroit versus Sandra Gould, case number U6870834. State your name for the record, Ms. Gould.
Sandra Gould.
Today is the date and time set for a review. You have paid, and I am going to dismiss the case. All right, Ms. Gould?
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further around, have a very good day. And I think we had our discussion last time too.
No, we didn't. I have something else to say, Your Honor.
You wanted to say something, go ahead.
Okay, so I have another ticket.
Oh, this was an instance, this was an instance that you were, okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I got another ticket that happened in December, which it wasn't me, so I'm pleading not guilty. But I have to come in front of you on the 3rd.
I don't see any other ticket.
I know, because she spelled my name wrong and everything, but it came in the mail, and it was from December. How did she spell my name? I don't even. Oh, she spelled my last name Gauld. She spelled my first name right, and then she spelled my middle name Unise. But it came to my house, and it was me that she wrote the ticket to, but it wasn't me that did the crime.
City of Detroit versus Sandra Gould, that's Gauld,
Yes.
U66182623.
Yes.
Appearance for the please.
Colleen Stroke on behalf of Ms. Gould.
Ms. Gould, state your name for the record, please.
Sandra Gould.
Today, we'll call the day, the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gould, we'll change. You're not contesting the fact that you got this ticket, right?
I'm pleading not guilty. It should never been given to me. It wasn't me.
So, okay, so let's just set a trial date.
She told me to come back June. She told me to come back June the 3rd at 8:30, but that's next week, so that's why I brought it up.
Yeah, we'll see you back on August the 27th, 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Gould?
August the 27th. Okay.
All right, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, Rhonda.
Is Kojan Thomas Lee here?
August 20th.
Is Kojan Thomas Lee here? All right, let's go to Leggett. Cherie.
Yeah.
Leggett.
I'm here.
Good morning, Tina.
Good morning.
All right. Is that a bonnet on your head?
A bonnet? Yes.
You gotta take the bonnet off. I don't do bonnets.
My apologies. I didn't know.
City of Detroit versus you. Let me ask this: you wouldn't wear the bonnet to the club, would you?
No.
So why you wear it to court?
My apologies. I don't have no excuse for that.
I understand that. They don't wear it to the club, but they'll wear it to court. Okay. All right. City of Detroit versus Sherry Monet Leggett. Case number SP 1507136, counts 1 and counts 3, and SP 150713771. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Sherry Leggett.
State your name for the record, Ms. Leggett.
Sherry Monet Leggett.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, at this time we'll waive the formal reading of the information. My client's standing mute to the charges.
All right, in or not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Leggett likes to come in my courtroom, don't you, Ms. Leggett?
No, I don't like the.
Something you like about it. You keep coming back.
No.
There's not. I need an updated offer, Ms. Soroki. Do you have a valid license, Ms. Leggett?
Yes, I do. I got my. I just got to take the written test.
Run it, please. Let's pass the matter. We'll check the license, and then you need to get an updated offer, Ms. Soroki, as a break ticket and no registration ticket.
I'm sorry, there was a no registration and what else?
And a brake light ticket.
Okay.
You have valid registration, Ms. Leggett?
Yes, it was my mom's car, but she have a valid registration. Yes.
Do you have it on you now?
No, actually, it's my mom's car, but she have a valid. I have to either send a picture, like I can email you a picture of, take a picture of it and email it to you.
All right. I'll take that. I'll put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
And what about the brake light? Did you fix it?
Yes.
Or I don't.
Yes, I believe I still had a receipt. I'm gonna check and see if I'm gonna call her today and see if she still got the receipt for her breakaway.
All right, let's pass the matter. I don't have a valid license, so failure to display $240 fine.
She indicated, Your Honor, that she just has to take the road test. So I'm going to ask for a adjourned court date.
All right, I can do that, but it's canceled. I don't know if she had a permit, then it would be. If she had a permit, it would read valid, but this is not reading valid. So
can I say something, Judge?
Why don't you just come back on the 22nd of July and get all of the stuff taken care of? That way you can get the license, you can get brake light tick paperwork, and you can get the registration. Now, do you still want to say?
No, nothing else.
Oh, July 22nd, Ms. Leggett. Come on back at 8:30. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Juan Juan Olivera. Juan Rojas.
I'm here.
Necesito interpreter.
What was that?
Do you need an interpreter?
What time will she be here? Because I can understand you, not all, but some.
Okay, we'll get an interpreter.
Okay, what time would she be here?
What time would I be here?
No, she or he. The interpreter.
We called already. We're waiting on her to come.
Okay, because I can fall asleep anytime too.
What? Say that again.
I can fall asleep.
Fell asleep?
Yeah, I just got out of work too.
Hey, what am I supposed to say about that? I don't know.
I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest.
I know. I can feel. I feel that. But what am I gonna say? You know. You want to come back? You want to just set a trial date?
No, I try to stay up. I try to stay up. I want to get this out of my way.
It's gonna be a long day.
Yeah.
David Olenichek.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've seen you before, Mr. Olenichek.
Yes, Your Honor.
You like it back here too, don't you?
No, sir.
Well, why? What possesses you to keep coming back?
I don't know. These tickets just popped up from 4 years ago.
Let's see what we have. You remember that? City of Detroit versus David Olenichek. Case number U5-666-9320. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Olenichek.
David Keith Olenichek.
Olenichek. Why didn't we take care of this? Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Yes, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Why didn't we take care of this last time?
I didn't know what day the court was.
Oh, you missed the date.
Yeah, I missed the court date. And I have another court date today. I'm supposed to be down at circuit court as soon as I get done with this case.
All right, so now we set a trial date once and you didn't show. This time, Mr. Olanichek, when we set this trial date, I'm gonna give you a $0 bond this time, but if you forget this time, I'm gonna put a money bond on you, all right?
Okay.
Come back, August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. I need some more trial dates.
On Zoom?
Yes, on Zoom is fine.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Robert Garrett. Robert Garrett.
Yeah.
All right, who's running some water or frying something up? Is that you, Garrett, Mr. Garrett? I think that's you in the background with all that static.
No, it's not me, right?
It is you. A lot of static. Are you Robert Lee Garrett? That's better. That was better for a second. Are you Robert Lee Garrett?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear? You're gonna have to speak up louder.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can hear that. Is it gonna affect you with that stuff in the background?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't get an accurate record. Why don't you log out, log back in? Today is the date and time set for trial anyway. That's better right there.
And the officer's present.
That's because it's muted. And the officer's present. All right, Ms. Soroki isn't allowing, so I don't know if I'll let you speak to Mr. Garrett in a breakout room, and then the officer's a 3-month, dismissal upon payment, $240 fine. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, nor does it carry any points. So work it out and see if you can help with this device as well, if you can. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You said the officer is present, right, Ms. Soroki?
Correct.
Join the room and talk to him, please. Who is the officer? Yeah, Corporal Whitehead. He's here. I don't necessarily need him. All right, let's click on move. Anthony Griffin.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Do you have a middle name, Mr. Griffin?
Anthony Lavelle.
Say that again.
Anthony Lavelle Griffin.
Lavelle.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
L-O-V-E-L-L-E.
L-O-V-E-L-L.
Yeah, L-L. That's what I said.
Well, Judge, if you say present, I'm still working with attorney Garen John Discovery, but I
don't have a clue what you're saying, Miss Barrett. I can't hear you. You're not coming through very well.
Because I gotta see if Mr. Geringer has it.
I still don't know what you're saying. I still don't know what you're saying. You have too much going on in your background too, Ms. Barrett. All right, Mr. Griffin.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Let me ask you, does it strike fear in you when you hear gunshots in your neighborhood?
I'm a Highland Park resident, so.
Huh?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Huh?
I'm a Highland
Park. Is it just me? Am I just chicken or what?
No, sir. I don't appreciate that.
I don't either. That's why they get that $500 fine too. City of Detroit versus Anthony Lavelle Griffin, case number SP 151-81691, SP 157-82961, SP 935-211, counts 1, 2, and 3. 16-299-238, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griffin.
Anthony Lavelle Griffin.
Your Honor, I don't find, where is Mr. Griffin?
Trial.
Oh, okay. Yes. So.
Hold on a second. Let's get through this. Mr. Griffin, state your name for the record, please.
Anthony Lavelle Griffin.
You did that? All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's see, it's we got 1 minute left. Let's see who's here. The offer as it stands right now is pleading to failure to display, 240, that will abstract, but it won't carry any points. And no offer on the improper plates. So failure to display is 240 and the improper plates is 240. I'll dismiss the improper plates. That does not abstract, therefore it won't carry any points. You have an absolute right to a trial. All the other matters are going to be dismissed. So 240 and 240. Let's see if the officers have appeared. Anybody here on Griffin? Is there an officer? Corporal Latch. Corporal Latch. I don't see Corporal Latch. And Kimberly Wright, Officer Kimberly Wright. Is there an Officer Alexander? Well, it looks like you win, except as it relates to this wrong-way driving ticket. That was not set on the docket. I called that because that's something you recently got. Officer Latch, Officer Alexander, Corporal Latch, Officer Alexander, and Officer Wright. Hearing no response, go ahead, Councilors 9931.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witnesses.
Grant the motion to dismiss. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You pay the reinstatement fees. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at $45 a piece. Miss Mason, what's the offer on a wrong way driving? Unless you want to set a formal hearing for that and see if you can. If the officer shows Or you can go downstairs, you may even get a better deal down there on that.
Which, what is a defendant? I mean, who's a defendant, Your Honor?
Anthony Griffin. It's set for, oh, she's got a pre-hearing set for that on 6/14/2024. You're aware of that, Mr. Griffin?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you want to just go ahead and take care of that downstairs?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and other than that, waive the warrant fees, pay the reinstatement fees. The cases in front of me are closed. All right.
Oh, I'm trying to have some clarity. So, are you saying pay the come back or pay? I'm not understanding.
No, all I'm saying is pay the reinstatement fees on these old tickets that just dismissed. That wrong way driving, you're gonna go down on 6/14 and on June 14th and 2/18, and you can get that taken care of.
Okay. If I pay the fine for it, can I not be allowed to come back? Because it's hard. It's hard for me to get off work to zoom in.
You don't have to get off work to zoom in. I think they'll zoom in any place. But if you want an offer right now, you can take one.
Please, sir.
What's the offer on the wrong way driving? Ms. Mason?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, in the other courtroom. Yes.
What's the offer on the wrong way driving?
No offer, Your Honor, at this time.
So it's up. So you might as well go downstairs, because I think that they give a much better deal downstairs than they do up here. Because it's no offer. It's going to be 2 points. You're going to sign up for 2 points on your license, $130.
Okay, Judge Perkins, I'll take your advice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees for $45, and then take care of the wrong way driving, and you'll be all done with 36th District Court. I'm waiving the warrant fees. Have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right. All right. Have a great day. Jeff Oldham.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Oldham likes it in here too.
Nope, you just told me to take care of everything. Everything is taken care of. I have my paperwork for the driving assessment. That's June the 3rd. I take my I have to retake the test over again. Secretary.
You have a driver's license?
I take my I have to take the driving test all over again. I have the paperwork for the appointment. It's June the 3rd. I can get my license back.
I thought you were talking about you took care of everything.
Yeah, I'll have my license June the 3rd. I have to retake the test over.
I know, but you don't have everything taken care of, because when I talk about taking care of, that means you got a valid driver's license. You're taking care of business, is what you're saying.
Yeah, I'm knocking on the door. I have it on the 3rd. All they gotta do is open the door open. Open the door.
Well, that's on them to open the door. I don't know. That's between you and them. City of Detroit versus Jeff Oldham, case number SP1324562-1, SP1324562-2, hold on a second. SP1493661, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, behalf of Mr. Odom.
Mr. Oldham, state your name for the record, please.
Jeff Oldham.
Let's see what he's done with this one. He's paid this ticket. I'm gonna dismiss SP 132-45621. Hey,
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, that other one, limited access, that probably was already resolved too.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
so you
is.
haven't paid that. SP 132-45632. And then you say the third, right?
Yep.
Why don't you come back on last time, 7/22/2024 at 8:30, all right?
That's July the 27th.
Exactly. All right.
Yeah, I
And
should be probably.
I'm giving you until July the 27th to pay that other 152.
That 150?
Yes. Best of luck to you on that test. What are you gonna do different this time than the last time?
I'm gonna make sure I keep these these licenses.
No, I'm talking about, you said you didn't pass the test the first time, right?
No, I didn't. No, I was waiting on driving assessment. This reassessment that the Secretary of State had me go through. I had to fill out a doctor's paperwork to get.
Okay. Did you do all of that by yourself?
Yes, I had to get my doctor to fill out the forms. My doctor filled out the forms, and then we sent them in.
All right, very good. Congratulations. Good luck to you, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, this is interpreter. They told me that there was someone here that was what they called a mystery defendant.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let me put you in the breakout room with them, and then if you can get their name and type it in the chat for me, Ms. Thomas.
Now, if I put it in the chat in the breakout room, you would see it, Your Honor. I don't have to come out to do that.
Come back out. Come back
out and do it. Okay.
Or you can try.
Okay.
Okay. We'll start with Mr. Enrique first.
Okay. Señor Enrique, nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que me dé su nombre y el número de su caso. Vea el botón donde dice join, oprímalo.
Well, we'll put Mr. Gonzalez, necesito interpreter. Do you need an interpreter? Put them all. There was another one. Need interpreter. Okay. Let's get, I don't know if has Gardner Gordon appeared? Gardner Gordon. Ms. Harris, who's your client? Owens, has Owens appeared? There's one telephone I need to name. 463-3893. Oh, he left again. I was done.
He said he took a phone call.
Yeah. Good morning to you. What's your name, please? I can't hear you. You got to speak up. I can't hear him. No, I can't hear who that is. All right, let's move on. This is the City of Detroit versus Kristen Livingston. Case number SP 109-11741.
Oh.
Good morning.
Hold on one second. SP 109-1175, counts 1 and counts 2. 19-512231, counts 1, 2, and 3. And State of Michigan versus Kristen Livingston, SX 319-18001, SX 323-96921. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Livingston.
Kristen Triana Livingston.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Have you gotten your license, ma'am?
I have a permit.
Driver's license, please. Ms. Livingston.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I'm gonna run the license and check it, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Robert. Well, we never did call Robert Garrett and Lee Garrett into the record. Ms. Shiroki, did you speak to Mr. Garrett?
Your Honor, the officer had stepped out of the breakout room. She was waiting to talk to the officer.
Corporal Whitehead, did you speak with the officer?
Yes, Corporal Whitehead is the officer, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Robert Lee Garrett, case number SP 154-74411. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Robert Garrett, Your Honor.
Mr. Garrett, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Lee Garrett.
That's much better. All right, Corporal Whitehead, can you state your name for the record, please?
Corporal Whitehead, badge 4344, traffic enforcement.
Okay.
Your Honor, I needed to have a chance to continue to talk to Corporal Whitehead regarding this matter. And he was.
All right, this is a fact-specific case here.
That's correct. I need to talk to him and find out what his version is. To see
okay, very well. Why don't you guys join Corporal Whitehead? I'm going to put you in breakout room 6. Have a conversation with Ms. Mason, and let us know what you want to do when you
come. We'll be fast, Your Honor. We'll be quick.
Very pass the matter.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I don't believe that my client has logged in. I am going to log off, and should he appear, could the court contact me?
We'll contact you, Ms. Harris.
Thank you.
You get the Cadillac treatment.
I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
Judge.
Yes.
For Mr. Damian Gales, I don't see him. And he's not answering my calls.
Okay. Well, let's put a warrant out. See if we can find him. I don't know what else it'll do. What do you suggest, Mr. Barrett?
Well, I don't have a suggestion since I can't reach him. You know, I'm trying to get him, but he's not responding to my calls.
Robert and Plutus.
Okay. That's all I can do.
Okay, if I find him, I'll bring him in.
Very well.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Livingston. Ms. Livingston, I have a valid driver's license. I'm going to dismiss SP 109-11741 for providing valid documentation. I'll also dismiss the state charge SX 323-96921, valid documentation. 19-5122-311, valid dismiss, valid documentation. What about proof of insurance and registration, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Let's see what you have.
Let me go get it. My insurance is on my phone, so I would have to email it, but my registration I do have.
All right, I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Okay. Registration.
I'll pass them out.
Judge,
Okay.
I'm sorry, city prosecutor, on Garrett, you can dismiss.
All right, let's case dismissed, Mr. Garrett. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Corporal Whitehead, be safe out there.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Joshua Green.
I'll get off here.
I'll put you out before y'all say anything else.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green.
Good morning.
Let's see. City of Detroit versus Joshua Adam Green. Case number SP 139-53891. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Joshua Adam Green. I never asked for an attorney.
Do you not want one?
No, Your Honor. I'll be honest with you. I've been through a lot worse than this. I don't have the funds to pay an attorney to handle something that I can handle myself.
Wait a minute. Slow down, Mr. Green. Did you hear
sorry,
anybody?
Your Honor, I'm expecting I'm gonna have to pay for him.
Well, no. Did you hear anybody else have to pay for him?
No, not necessarily. I just know that usually every time I've been assigned an attorney, I've had to pay for that, Your Honor. That's all.
You just think I'm gonna pick on you just because you and
No,
you got
I really wasn't paying attention to it, but I was paying attention for my name. Their business isn't my business, sir.
I got you. Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Joshua Adam Green.
Mr. Green, as far as you're not gonna, you want Mr. Berry to continue on? He's not gonna charge you.
I mean, if I'm not going to be charged, yeah, I'll accept his help, but I just don't have the funds to pay for him. I'll be honest with you, sir.
Mr. Berry, as for purposes of arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Aaron, not guilty, yeah, I'm giving $0 bond. I guess Mr. Green is like, y'all aren't about to throw no extra dollars on me. Right?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a prick, but I just, yeah, no.
Do you have a driver's license, Mr. Green?
I don't at the moment. I'm clearing this up. Like I told you, I've done a lot of time incarcerated. I've done a lot of dumb stuff in my life, and I'm finally sat myself down and I'm trying to clear everything up and get everything in order so I can go on with life.
How long is it going to take you to get a license, Mr. Green?
I'm not exactly sure. I got to go to Secretary of State because I'm trying to figure everything out. My life was a mess, and I'm trying to fix it up, man. I'm trying to.
All right, come on back on July 22nd. Let us know where. If you bring a license, I'll dismiss the ticket. All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
8:30.
8:30, 22nd. I got you.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Miss.
Yeah. No.
Miss Cox. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I did put his name and his case number on the chat.
Okay, that's Enrique Corrado Gonzalez, right?
Yahir is also his first name, I believe. Yahir Enrique, yeah.
All right, let's put this on. Miss Cox, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter, IDQ 21121. And Your Honor, I think he's still in the breakout room though.
This case number doesn't seem to be right.
He said that he had been here previously and was told to come back today.
Unless I'm entering it wrong.
15546482. It's what he told me.
8-2, okay, it says 7-2. See if that comes up. No, I don't think it's right. Ms. Cox, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. I'm still trying to look up the name. If you can go back in there and get me and get a clarification on that case number, it's not right.
Okay, if you would send me back, Your Honor, I will do that and come back and put.
You have the ability to go back in and out as you.
I don't. Okay, and the breakout room number was
5. If you push
5?
that
Okay.
button down there, it should repopulate. Goya.
Yes.
Goya.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
Do you need an interpreter? Do you need an interpreter, sir? You're muted. All right, he's muted.
Unmute, Mr. Goja. There you go.
All right, do you need an interpreter, sir?
If they're there, yes.
What language?
Albanian.
Can we get an Albanian interpreter, please?
But I got my bookkeeper here, and we worked together with him, and we everything got done.
You have the license?
I don't have the license yet, but I been over there yesterday.
I thought you had a lawyer.
I'm sorry?
I thought you had a lawyer last time you were here.
No, I know I never have a lawyer because if you
don't have a license, you don't have anything done. But I'll tell you what, though, the ham place on 4700 Davidson, you got to go there. I haven't been there in a while, but that's a whole spot.
Yeah, I was over there in the city yesterday, and everybody knows me. What are you doing here?
A long time.
Yeah, 27 years.
It's been there longer than that, though. Did you buy it from someone? It was a ham place before, wasn't it?
Yeah. We bought it. Actually, my cousin got 27 years ago, in May '97.
I've been there a long time. Well, we'll get an Albanian interpreter. Sounds like you understand that. Do you need an interpreter?
Probably I need for some because I understand 100%, but.
All right, we'll get one then. We wanted you to understand it 100%.
Okay.
Ms. Cox.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good case number?
Well, it's the same number, Your Honor, and he showed me that the request to appear in court today had your name, the date today, May 30th. It said pre-trial.
Give it to me
and that
again.
was the number. The number was right. It has an OT at the end. OT at the end.
Give it to me again, Ms. Cox.
Okay. It's SP 15546482OT.
All right, there it is. Yes.
Yeah.
What do you need, Council?
We was want to get, gonna follow motions, right? Just need a scheduling time, just asking for.
Today is the date and time set for trial?
No, today's the day scheduled for a pretrial, first pretrial.
All right.
Employment.
All right, let's call them. What's your client's name?
Timothy Gunther.
Good morning, Mr.
Hey, how you doing?
Good morning, Council.
Good morning.
It's the city of Detroit versus Timothy Guthrie, case number. That's Timothy Lee Guthrie, case Lee what? Lee Michael?
Milton.
Lee Milton. I just see the MI. I took a guess and I was wrong. Timothy Lee Milton Guthrie. Case numbers SP 1548671, SP 1548687, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about from Mr. Gunther.
And 237581161. Mr. Ogletree, put your P number on the record, please.
P number is 69167.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Guthrie.
Timothy Guthrie, Lee Melvin Guthrie.
All right, very well. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You want to file a motion now? That's up to you. I'll give you another pretrial date.
Okay.
When are you going to file that motion?
If I can file about a week of the 21st, because I have a number of trials and I also have to do arbitration.
Well, as long as you get it in the week of the 21st of what?
Of June.
Yeah, that's fine with me. You hear that, Ms. Mason? And then I'll give her 7 days to respond and we'll hear it on the 22nd of July.
I'm sorry, Judge, did you need the prosecutor?
No, Mr. Ogletree is going to file a motion on Mr. Guthrie's behalf. And he said he'll have it in by the 21st of June. I'm just going to set a pretrial date. If I get a motion, you'll make sure you serve it on the city attorney, and then I'll get a copy of it and I'll get her response. And by July 22nd, I should have an answer.
Is it possible to do July 23rd?
That's possible.
Do you want my response July 22, Judge?
No, I want your response a week after he replies, or at least sometime after he replies. I want to wait. I want it at least a week before July 23rd. July 23rd, so that I can make my determination and read over it and see what it says.
Okay, so I file mine by June 21st.
June 21st. All right. If there's nothing further, July 22nd, that court date, all right? Have a good day.
When you do the 23rd?
23rd, I'm sorry, 23rd. Have a good day. Best of luck to you all. Let's get Audie's iPhone. He looks like he's at work. Audie at work?
Yes, how you doing?
All right, good morning. What is your last name?
Greenwell, Audie Greenwell, last name Greenwell.
Greenwell. City of Detroit versus Audie Greenwell, case numbers SP 1210962, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-25091, SP 124-25321, SP 1405817, counts 1, 2, and 3. We'll call SP 981991 into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greenwell.
Audie Greenwell.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. What I'm going to do is that he owed a ticket from 2019 in the amount of $528. He owed $628, paid $100 on it. I'm going to resentence him on that. I think those fines were very excessive. I'm going to resentence him to the $240 fine. He paid $100. I'm going to resentence him to $140, what I would fine him today. 19. So 19. Strike that 19-426-4461. That was something that he pled guilty to back in 2019. I'm going to resentence him on that to 240. So that's your early Christmas present, Mr. Green. You have a license, sir?
Yes, I have a driver's license. I also have my chauffeur.
Your what?
I have my chauffeur's license.
Okay. I don't know if I want now. He doesn't have any. He doesn't have any.
I want to take care of all my. I want to take care of all my business so I can be legit.
All right. Be legit. That was a rapper.
Yeah, he's a rapper. He was just here. They just had a concert here.
Yeah. I listen to a lot of Be Legit.
Okay.
but you're not legit. Oh. I don't know who would give you a chauffeur's license with all those pages of driving record on there.
Yeah, I was when I was young, I was doing a lot of driving. Didn't think nothing about having a license back then, but as I got older, I need my license.
Oh, I might be wrong. Miss Mathis might have made me speak out. Personal matter. Is that not audience Greens?
No, that's not.
All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. Let's call Enrique.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, Ms. Now you have a few more, you know that, don't you?
No, they only asked me about one, but I certainly can help with more than one.
I'm sure you can. I put the other people in the breakout room with you. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Yair Enrique Corrado Gonzalez. Case number SP 155-39603. SP 155-4648. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
Your Honor, Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter, and I believe Mr. Conrado is still in the breakout room.
He is not.
Oh. Señor Conrado, usted está aquí. Oh, yeah, there he is. Prenda su micrófono y prenda, señor Yahir Enrique Conrado González, prenda su micrófono y su pantalla. ¿Puede hacerlo?
Ya.
Okay, there he is, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Did you get that? I called the case into the record.
Llamaron a su caso, lo están oyendo ahora. ¿Usted escuchó eso?
No.
Llamaron a su caso, señor González.
¿Que se llamaron a mi caso?
Yeah, they called my case.
Let me do it again, Ms. Gonzalez. And Ms. Soroki, wait until Ms. Gonzalez, I say give Ms. Gonzalez an opportunity to interpret before you speak. This is the city of Detroit versus Jair Enrique Conrado Gonzalez, case number SP 155-39603, SP 155-4648, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamaron el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Yahir Enrique Conrado González, el caso SP 1554648, cargos 1 y 2, y también el tiquete SP 155539603. Por favor, digan su nombre para las actas, empezando con el abogado.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
La abogada Soroki representando al señor Conrado González.
State your name for the record, Mr. Gonzalez.
Diga su nombre para las actas, señor Conrado González.
Javier Enrique Conrado González.
Ms. Cox?
Yes, Your Honor. He said his name, Your Honor. I heard his name.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. There is one off docket matter of no insurance, no registration.
Hoy es la fecha para una audiencia preliminar. Lo que están revisando hoy es que no tenía registro de carro.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez is going to have to turn the back, go somewhere where it's quieter so we can hear. There's too much noise in the background.
Hay demasiado ruido, no saben si es donde está usted, pero si es ahí donde está usted, tiene que ir a un lugar donde sea más quieto.
Ya, dame un momento, por favor.
So just a minute, please.
Por favor.
I don't see him on the docket. Where might I find him?
He's on the second page, right under Gochai.
Yeah, my second page. I don't.
Yeah, we got an amended one, Soroki.
He's not on my. So do you have the counts?
Yeah.
All right. When I meet with you, we can talk about them.
Gotcha.
Ms. Mathis sent you the docket, Ms. Mason, and
yeah, she did, and so I'm going to cover the new charges, Your Honor.
Let's give Ms. Soroki an updated docket and Mr. Perry for that reason. No, she's already got it. You said you sent it already to her, right? Mrs. Soroki and Mr. Perry.
Judge, I can send it. I can send them the updated docket. I can send it to them.
Your Honor, apologies for interrupting, but I think at this point, I don't expect my client's going to be joining us today.
Okay.
Yeah, I hate to say that, but if he does appear, may the CalAC treatment continue with the phone call, please.
We will.
Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Yeah, better one. A lot of moving parts going on at one time.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter. Would you like me to go to a breakout room? I don't see Ms. Soroki anymore.
Ms. Soroki's here.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go to a breakout room. Yeah, why don't we go to a breakout room, Ms. With Ms. Soroki and her client, and then Ms. Soroki, can you work this out? And if he wants to do community court, I'll allow that as well.
Could that be something that could happen today, or would he need to come back on a Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Okay, thank you.
And then he has a no insurance civil infraction that's not on the docket. He may be gone. I think he's gone. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Livingston. Who was representing Ms. Livingston? Mr. Berry, were you representing Livingston? Mr.
Yes.
Odom, what do you need?
I wanted to ask you a question because I wanted to know, you dropped all the tickets except the 150, so I can pay the 150 so I can take my test on
I
the
didn't
3rd.
drop all the tickets, did I?
I thought you
were getting the driver's license.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I went downstairs. They said I got to pay 150. I called down. I called down there, and they just said I got $150 ticket.
If you're not gonna pay attention, then I can't help. I don't know anything about. You said you were going to get a driver's license, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are you doing calling downstairs for then? You said you're supposed to come back on the 22nd, right?
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. Thank you. That's all I want to know. That's all the thing I need to know.
All right. Have a good day.
I represent, Your Honor.
Matter of fact, they just don't understand it unless you just straight matter of fact with them.
I think he still, he doesn't know what he's supposed to.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. That's probably why it's best. That's it. I don't know what to tell them. All right. All right. Are you on Audie Greenwell then, Mr. Berry?
On Ms. Livingston and Greenwell, yes, Your Honor.
You're on Livingston as well?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go back on the record with Livingston. I don't have any proof of anything, Ms. Livingston. Do you have, except for the license I see? What about the other documents?
I sent it to your email.
Let's see. Did you run Audie Green's license? Ms.
Yes.
It's good.
Exactly.
I don't have it. No, I'm talking about her documents. It's not in my email. I hope you copied it right, or let me make sure I sent it to you right. It looks like I sent it to you right, but I don't know if you copied
it. Is it Sean.Perkins at 36th District Court?
.org, yep.
Oh, .org. Okay, maybe that's why.
Sure. Okay. Now let's pass that matter. Are you on Greenwell as well, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greenwell indicated to me that the license is valid, even though I haven't seen it yet. Okay, I have it now. The license is valid, and it is a chauffeur's license.
Yes.
Okay. That's $9 right there.
Yes.
So you're gonna have some money to pay these tickets, huh?
I'm working. I'm working to try to get. Yes, I work. I have a job, so I'll be able to pay something on some tickets.
What about insurance and registration? Do you have that?
No, I don't. I don't have a vehicle right now, but as soon as I get one, I'm getting insurance.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date so you can bring that stuff back on the date of trial. We can keep this moving.
Okay, I will get insurance.
August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
Hold on, I want to write that down right now so I won't forget. For 1 second, I have the pen and paper. What day was that again? August
1st, 2024.
August 1st, 2024.
I'm going to dismiss SP 12109-621 for providing valid documentation. That's the license, one of the license charges. I'm going to
thank you.
Dismiss SP 14058172. That's another license charge.
Thank you.
SP 9819961. I'm going to dismiss. Well, no, that's already adjudicated. That's already been adjudicated. Those are the ones I reduced. The other ones, I'm going to set a trial/formal hearing. Trial.
Your Honor, there is another license charge, the one ending in 5321.
It is, isn't it? See, that's your attorney working for you. SP 124.
Thank you.
5321. I'll dismiss that as well. All right, and then the rest, all other matters set for trial/formal hearing. There's nothing further, sir. August the 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m. Have a very good day.
Okay, thank you.
Back in the day, you wouldn't have wrote that down, would you?
No, back in the day, I was just out here just young and hard-headed.
You would have just said, all right, I'll be back, and then either you would have either remembered or you would have forgot.
I used to always say I was never going to have license, and I was just going to just be driving.
Where did you get that from?
Just being in the neighborhood and being hard-headed.
Man, what they say, the hood will take you under, won't it?
Yep, and that's why I got out and I drive trucks for Amazon.
Very good. Don't ride up 8 Mile. I mean, don't ride up Woodward. Make sure those trucks go down 8 Mile. That's the agreement. A whole lot of trucks keep coming up Woodward Avenue.
Yeah, I don't go down Woodward. I stay on 96, 75, and 94.
I talked to the city council person about that. She's supposed to be looking into that.
Okay.
All right.
All righty.
All right.
Have a good one. You too.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
They're not supposed to ride on over. That was the agreement when they built that place over there.
There you go.
Hey, Judge, as a housekeeping matter, did you call the gay case? I was just curious.
Gay?
Gay, G-A-Y.
I don't see a gay in here. That was yesterday.
We've got a gay on the docket today.
No,
9 o'clock.
I don't see gay.
It's 9 o'clock trial.
Kieri Gay here? No, I don't think they showed up. Any officers that we don't have a defendant for, they're free to leave.
Very good, Judge. I'll let the officer know.
Very well. Let's go back on the record with Miss Livingston. Miss Livingston, I have a registration here. I'm satisfied with. You got yourself a license and rewarded yourself with a brand new car, didn't you, Miss Livingston?
Yes, I did. I tried. I worked hard so I could get it. I'm like, I can't have my cars in nobody else's name anymore. So I did what I needed to do.
What's up? Got yourself a brand new car rolling high. High class.
Correct.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yes, I love it. I love
I
it.
wish I could afford one of those. Insurance, registration, texting while driving. I don't know what the state wants to do with that one. Failure to secure passenger.
Yeah, that one, my daughter actually.
Don't say anything, please.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Miss Mason.
Honor.
What is your offer on a failure to secure passenger?
I think my offers are pretty generous. There's no offer on that one.
You think your offers are pretty generous?
Yeah, I think that's okay. No offer on the failure to secure passenger, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see that.
We're talking about a little one, I'm assuming.
I don't know yet. She was about to say something, but I'll cut her off. Let's see here. Failure to secure passenger. This was 2020, the height of the pandemic.
Okay, I'll give her a dismissal, Judge.
So what would the city be on the texting while driving, even though it's a state case? I just try to get an idea. Mr. Mason?
Yeah, I'm just thinking, Your Honor, on that one, I probably would do a no offer on an operating texting.
What's the penalty for texting while driving? Is there, let me look that up.
And it's a graduated one, Your Honor. I think that's why, because they're trying to keep track. So it is a graduated offense.
So it does abstract.
Correct.
Texting while driving, that's commercial vehicle. Commercial motor vehicle. Why wouldn't they just put the operating CMV? There's the texting while driving, just regular. Case back to. Oh, that's back in 2017. Just pay the 222, ma'am. It's already come and gone. We're gonna dismiss the.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, and then I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You're gonna be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, do you have the like the case number, so I guess I can pay it online?
I do.
And Judge, while you're doing that as a housekeeping matter, I think under 257-602B, it's going to be the texting while the other one. So it's 257, I believe. 602B.
I don't know why they wouldn't have it on this, on the sheet
Yeah.
here.
It's 3295.
That's $100 fine. This one is old, very
Yeah.
old.
Okay.
We're gonna just, take, you spend the 222, and then we'll close everything out, but you're also gonna have reinstatement fees as well. And, that'd be SX 319-18001. It'll be 222. You'll see it on there. And then you'll see a bunch of $45 fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 $45 fees.
Okay.
So you pay those at your.
6 limited access will be the number. What we want on it. 6.
Hold on.
That's fine. That's
all right. So you pay those when you, there's no set date. That's been out there since 17. If there's nothing further, ma'am, congratulations on the license. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
Now, are we ready on Gonzalez?
What about me?
What about who?
What about Terrence Loman, sir?
I haven't gotten to you yet. I'm trying. I'm doing the best I can.
All right, young man.
This is the city of Detroit versus Keely Renee Green, case number SP 1520086, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Kelly Renee Green.
Kelly?
Yes, Kelly Renee Green.
Where's your picture?
I came out the Zoom to come back in and it still won't upload the video. Like it says my video is on, but it's just fuzzy on my end.
It says your video is on my end as well. Okay. I was gonna say, if you were under 20 something, then I would figure that you may be trying to move fast.
No, I'm 35. I'll be 36.
That's still pretty young. You know all about these videos and all that.
Actually, I don't. That's why I thought like logging out and coming back in would change that. And I've been in the settings this whole time and it just says that my video is on. So it might be my internal camera itself.
So I guess I will never know.
I can go on my cell phone.
And I guess I'll never know what they say you did interference with a government employee, because is there an M. Ruiz, Officer M. Ruiz, badge number 1187. I have not seen that officer join the breakout room or join the room, and it's not in the breakout room. So go ahead, counsel.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness.
Very well. Case dismissed. Ms. Green, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Berry.
You're welcome, of course.
Lawson. Did we get the Arabic? Is it Arabic or Albanian interpreter?
Albanian.
Did we get the Albanian interpreter?
I requested one. I was just waiting.
All right, we're waiting on the interpreter. Let's go ahead with Lawson. It's my aunt's married name. Megan DeJane Lawson. Is Lawson here? You sleep?
No,
City of Detroit versus Megan Dejanay Lawson. Case number SP 1271616 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1271616 SP 1366675 1, 2, and 3. SP 136693331. SP 1402434 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1563155 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1563156 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 836707 counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. 14453140 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lawson.
Megan DeJane Lawson.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
The date and time set for
pre-trials.
Pre-trial, thank you, Mr. Berry. One thing I do see is that there is a reinstatement fee that I can allow Ms. Lawson to pay up front, and she could potentially bring back a valid driver's license. You want to do that, ma'am?
Yeah, so when I went down there the last time that we was at court, I went down there to pay the $45, and they kept saying that I had to pay like $200 and something because of this ticket that we was here for today.
88. Did they say we're here for a whole lot of tickets today? Let's see. There's no insurance civil infraction. Let's see what the file says. Yeah, it doesn't say reinstatement fee up front.
Okay.
So I'm now I'm marking that. You want to pay that and come back, see if you can get a license?
Yes, sir.
You have to come back down here. It should be on there now. It's a no insurance proof. $45. The file should be marked that way. If you have any trouble, come on up to the courtroom.
Okay.
Wait 48 to 72 hours once you come down and pay that money, and and then go to the Secretary of State to see if you can get a valid license. Okay.
Okay.
Your next court date is July the 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a very good day. That's about to you.
That was the 22nd, right?
The 22nd of July.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Lyons talked himself up.
Did Mr. Owens show up, Defendant Owens?
No, I haven't seen an Owens. No one else has showed up. We have what we have in here.
Yeah, there's some people I can't see because they just have a phone number, so I'm not comfortable letting my
There's one phone number I've never got named. One phone number 463-3893. You never spoke up loud enough for me to hear you. Three 463-3893. What's your name, please? Everybody put them out and come back in. City of Detroit, Mr. Lyons, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? City of Detroit versus Charles Lyons, case number SP 1551568, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyons.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lyons.
Hello, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
State your name for the record, please.
First name is Charles. Last name is Lyons. That's Lyons.
All right, today, what is it set for, Mr. Berry? Today,
Retrial.
Set for pre-trial. Mr. Lyons, you should have an offer in the file.
He does.
I'll note that Ms. Mason says she gives the very generous offers. So let's see how generous she feels this is. Lyons, L-Y.
ONS.
It's another one. I don't think that. Oh yeah, no, we have this one. So a failure to display, $240 fine. And it will abstract to the Secretary of State, and a 1 to 5 limited access that will abstract, but it won't carry any points. Neither one will carry points, but I'm confident that if you plead to this and you don't already have a license, you may not be eligible for a license for the next 2 years. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. He's in there, Mr. Berry. When that motion comes, if you're still here, we could you to do some legal and research. Right? See what they have to say, and see what works in the law, and then we'll find out what you would say and what you would do as it relates to whatever they have in the motion. And I'll kind of guide you on where to get the information. Pass Lyons matter. They've been in the breakup.
436-2866. I'm in execution next week.
You said what?
I'm with free next week.
Oh, you are making a big money. So what happened? And this Miss Williams Law, she's always the ghost on the. See, now they kind of force it back in. But what happens on that is they take her away from me to go to the exams, and the exams are what you saw with the king. And a lot of times, probably most of the time, should be that the attorney, the defense attorney, would want a copy of that hearing so that they can go through, and when they go across the street, they can make any kind of motions they want to make. So that way, that's usually this stuff here. Every now and then we have to print out an exam, but usually usually this stuff here is no. Sometimes we'll have to ask her to look back at the record to see if somebody says it, and that little stuff. But this one here is you get make the extra cash.
All right.
It goes a long time.
So
don't get an exam,
he probably so mad. me. I was an examiner. And I gotta say, but with Judge Jefferson and so smooth. And you were very like, I didn't get a chance.
I'm sorry, Judge. I'm sorry, the city prosecutor. Did Alexis Green appear? I got Officer Bullhouse here on that one.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
It's Alexis, only person that we don't know is that one that I put out. And I'm gonna, obviously, I don't see Alexis. I hear that person in the, see who this is. I don't think that's Alexis Green. On the phone, let me know if I can hear you better now. What's your name, please?
First name is Charles.
No,
Middle
not
name
you,
is
Mr.
Dwayne.
Green. We already talked. The other person on the phone, there's two people on the phone. They're still not saying anything.
Yes, it's Mr. Lyons, Charles Lyons.
Mr. Lyons, I'm not talking to you now. I told you there's two people that are calling on the phone.
Oh.
What's your name, sir?
Terrence Loman.
Okay, very well. No, Miss Mason, no. All I have is Gardner Gordon didn't show. Robert Lee showed. Gay did not show. Hales did not show. Goodwin did not show. Green did not show. Lewis did not show. And Owens did not show.
Very good, Your Honor. I'll let the officers know.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor González, vamos a regresar a su caso. Por favor, prenda su micrófono. Le dijo el juez, usted ha tenido la oportunidad de hablar con la abogada. Señora abogada, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, the people are dismissing this matter. The reasons I believe are duo. One is he does have a Colombian license. And number two, he's already paid some civil infractions, including a 26-mile over.
Dice ella que debido a que usted sí tiene una licencia colombiana, van a anular los cargos porque usted ya había pagado unas infracciones civiles, incluyendo una que iba a 26 millas más alto de la velocidad permitida.
And when I reviewed the register action, the no registration that this court did call indicates it's a payment plan. So I don't know if that can be set aside and dismissed. But
entonces aquí tenía que estaba en un plan de pago para la multa que le dieron, pero no sé si usted puede anular eso, señor juez.
I'll dismiss. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gonzalez, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Entonces, señor González, voy a anular todos los cargos que quedan y que tenga buen día. I think he's muted, but he said thank you so much. I could read what he said. Diga.
Have a very good day.
Ok. Buena suerte, señor González. No lo podemos oír, pero yo entendí y usted entendió. Ok. Diga.
Sí, ok.
Ok, thank you. Ok, bye-bye.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Good day.
Tenga un buen día. Puede desconectarse.
Lindsay Caden. This will be for Miss Soroka. City of Detroit versus Lindsay Kate, case number SP 1560921, SP 1582549, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1582550, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Lindsay Caden.
Mr. King, state your name for the record. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Caden Dejon Lindsay.
Caden Dejon, Mr. Lindsay, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. And the other matter was arraignment on June the 4th. So we call them all today, Mr. Lindsay. So whatever date you get after this, you don't have to come on June the 4th, all right?
Okay.
All right, as for purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Your Honor, waiving the formal reading of the information, standing mute to the charges.
So I believe what we're gonna have is a situation where there's only one charge on here. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes.
Run his driver's license, please. The license is valid. I can't believe this. Apparently, he was written a ticket for 51 miles per actual speed, 51 miles per hour in a posted 50 mile per hour zone. One mile over the speed limit. New Baltimore. That doesn't. I've never seen that before. All right. Maybe I don't have all the information. No.
Everybody's still.
All right, let's Mr. I have a valid driver's license. I'm going to dismiss SP 1560921. Providing dismiss. Providing. All right, you got to be quiet. Valid docs. I have an unsafe manner, Mr. Berry, or is this Ms. Soroki?
It's me, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, unsafe manner, Ms. Soroki. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper equipment. Drove left of center. And a failure to use turn signal, all on the same occasion. If you want to get him an updated offer, you can. The only thing he has on his license is a 1 mile an hour over the speed limit out of New Boston. How old are you, sir?
19.
19 years old.
How old is that New Baltimore one, Judge?
The New Baltimore is. That was this year, 2024.
Global 1 to 5 LA, limited access.
1 to 5, you'll have another abstraction on your license. It won't carry any points, but we'll dismiss if you take the deal. Speak to Ms. Soroki in a breakout room, and you got to, I don't know what's going on, but you got to clean up your driving if it's a matter of you and not someone else. All right.
So, Your Honor, let me just ask you, is it the same officer, Livermore, that issued those violations? Can you tell?
I'm going to see the ones that he's up now.
Yeah, the one that you said he had so many violations at one time.
Evans. Shatira Evans.
Thank you.
Evans.
You got two different ones, Soroki? Attorney Soroki?
No, I just want to know if it's a different officer, you know, that's.
Livermore, I dismissed, that was the no ops. So he had two different stops. That was the no ops. So he has a valid driver's license, all right? Speak to him a break room and just tell him how important it is to not get these points and these abstractions as well. Insurance is already very, very high. Join the room, Mr. Lindsay, and speak with Mr. O. $125. City of Detroit, you have someone, Mr. Berry? Are we ready on Mr. Lyons?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, back on the record with Mr. Lyons. What's going to be the resolution here, Mr. Berry?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can go to trial, or they can give me. What's the offer?
You already talked to the attorney about it, didn't you?
He didn't tell me no offers or nothing. He just said we can go back in.
Lyons offer limited access 1 to 5. I did give you an offer. I told you the offer. And failure to display. Both of them are going to abstract. I told you if you take the deal, it'll likely suspend your license for 2 more years.
He has documents, Your Honor. We seek a bench trial.
That's why he's saying set the matter for trial.
Okay.
You see, Mr. Berry just sat back and didn't even entertain that. He made me do all the work. All right, trial date is going to be September the 3rd, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? See if you can get a valid driver's license. That'll go a long way to clearing this stuff up.
Okay, you said at 9 o'clock?
At 9 o'clock, September the 3rd.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay. Thanks.
City of Detroit versus Antoine Lee Laurie, case number SP 1554413, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lowry.
Lord.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would, my client would stand mute.
You are not guilty plea in your client's behalf, and your client a $0 bond. Mr. Laurie, do you have valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please.
That's the phone. I don't know how good.
Go ahead over there. Slide it over a little bit more. Kyle Upshaw.
Yeah, it's in somebody. It's in somebody else's name, but it's all valid though.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know how good that's gonna work for you if you ever have an accident or something. Is this for this 2023? Let's see. Is this for this 2023 GMC?
Yes, sir. You see GMC right there, boy. Yes, sir. With the expiration date and all that up there. Because the last time I came, it was basically my birthday last month. You know what I'm saying? And I had to renew the insurance policy. Understand? So I basically had the same insurance for 3 years, and I still ended up getting my car towed for whatever reason. But it's valid though.
What about the lights on the vehicle? You fix them?
Yes, sir. I'm in the process of moving. I can get.
Wait a minute. I asked you, I asked you
Yes,
one
sir. Yes,
question.
sir. Yes, sir.
And then
Yes,
you go into the process of moving. What were you gonna say? You can get the receipt?
Yeah, because I had to. So the last time I came, I had to receipt. I showed it to him. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know what happened. So,
all right,
I ended up still getting.
I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. Mr. Laurie, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
So what? I don't owe nothing.
You don't owe anything.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day, sir.
Have a better one. You're gonna hang up that phone quick, aren't you? All right, Mr. Gojai, this is the city of Detroit versus Nua Gojai.
Yes.
Case number 03-57523. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, Mr. Gojai, for the record.
Nua Gojai.
Yeah, I thought I've seen him before. He's you were supposed to be here on March 23rd.
Yes,
and I'm gonna give you until September 3rd. That's gonna be a new trial date. If you need.
Okay, because I find out I already made that for 2023. Probably I don't know. Do you see it?
Back it up.
Yeah.
Speak to him in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He missed the court date. Probably would have had the case dismissed because I don't think anybody showed up.
Judge, this is a pre-trial on this Mr. Gujai today.
I know that, I know that, but he was set for a trial date back in March the 23rd. I thought I recognized the name. Oh, Investigator Powell appeared. She did appear. He's holding up a document. Speak to him in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. We can't get an Albanian interpreter. They're all tied up. So talk to him in a breakout room, see if you can make heads or tails of what he's showing you. And then if it's something that he feels that he's in compliance, then let Ms. Mason know. But I thought he told me that he didn't have the license yet. Join the room, please. Let's go back on the past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What do you want to do, sir?
Mr. He's going to accept the offer, Your Honor. He's going to plead responsible to the 1 to 5 over.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lindsay?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for a responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Did you talk to him about how important it is to keep this license clean?
I did, Your Honor.
You have a valid license. A whole lot of young people don't even have a valid license. You have a valid license. You don't have much on here at all. Keep it clean, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. When can you, I'll find him responsible for the admitting count of limited access 1 to 5. When can you pay this $125, Mr. Lindsay?
Is that for the one in New Baltimore?
No, that's for here.
You said when can I?
Yes.
I get paid. Well, next Thursday.
You get paid next Thursday. Will you have the money to pay $125 out of your check?
Yeah.
All right, come back in. We'll pay it by Friday. I'm going to give you until next Friday to pay it. You don't have to come back in, but if you don't pay it, it's going to affect your license. All right.
All right.
Pay it by June 7th.
Will it be on there for me to pay it today?
Absolutely. I'm going to tell Ms. Masters to put it in now. When you see that limited access 1 to 5, $125, pay it then. Pay it and then he did that kiosk. He wants to pay this today. You pay it and then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Lindsay. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, take it easy. Slow down. All right, let's go with Juan Rojas. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Jesus Oliveira Rojas. Case number U678333023. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rojas.
That's this is another one needed an interpreter, Ms. Cox.
Yes, Your Honor. Can you repeat his case number, please?
Yeah, the city of Detroit versus, he stayed awake too, the whole time. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Jesus Oliveira Rojas. Case number U678333023. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamaron a su caso, señor Juan Olvera Rojas, el caso U67833023. Digan su nombre para las actas. Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rojas.
Y las abogadas Soroki representando al señor Olvera Rojas.
Right,
señor Olvera, diga su nombre.
Juan Jesús Olvera Rojas.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause.
Hoy es la fecha que vamos y la hora donde tenemos una audiencia para presentarlos, determinar si los cargos son válidos.
Ok, sí, está bien.
Okay, that is fine.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Con el propósito de leer los cargos, ¿cómo vamos a proceder, abogado?
Waive the formal reading the information and stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Renunciamos a que lean los cargos en voz alta y se queda en silencio.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. And the offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct, $240 fine. It's misdemeanor morality class and HIV STD testing. He has an absolute right to a trial.
Entonces usted van a entrar una declaración de no culpable a su favor. Los cargos serían rebajados a conducta desordenada, por lo cual tendría que pagar una multa de $240 y tendría que tomar una clase por el internet sobre moralidad y también tenía que someterse a exámenes de DHI, pero no tiene que presentar los resultados, tiene que comprobar que sí lo hizo. No tiene que aceptar la oferta. Si usted quiere, puede pedir ir a un juicio. ¿Qué desea hacer?
Your Honor, I'm thinking he may need counsel. He may have immigration issues, Your Honor.
Dijo la abogada que el día le gustaría hablar con usted porque tal vez tendría cosas con inmigración.
Ok, sí.
Dice que sí, ¿qué, señor Olvera? ¿Que quiere hablar con un abogado o quiere aceptar la oferta?
Pues no me queda de otra aceptar la oferta.
So since I don't have any other options, I will accept the offer.
Why don't you speak to him in a breakout room, Mr. Soroki? I can appoint an attorney for him.
Okay.
And give him an opportunity to seek immigration attorney.
And I was also going to ask initially if he could qualify for community court, but probably not at this point.
Go ahead, Ms. Cox.
Que el juez dijo que lo va a mandar a un cuarto privado para que tenga una consulta con el abogado. La jueza preguntó si usted podría tal vez, en vez de pagar una multa o para que le quiten los cargos, participe en lo que se llama corte de la comunidad, que tiene que trabajar horas en servicio a la comunidad. Lo van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that is fine.
He would let him do community service, but it wouldn't stop the guilty plea of disorderly conduct. Let me put you in a breakout room with him and have a conversation.
Que lo van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado.
Okay.
He's in there. All right, let's go back on the record.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm the interpreter. Where do I need to go?
At breakout room 3, the one you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gojai. Mr. Gojai, Mr. Berry, did you make any heads or tails or anything?
I did, Your Honor, and we seek a bench trial date. He will return with a license. He's done everything, and he's just really waiting on the document.
All right. September the 3rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gojai, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. You got the date, sir? You're not, I can't hear you now. Those headphones are not working, don't work too good. You have the date? He said it's September 3rd. All right, I'm gonna say you have it. I can't hear your response though. Something's wrong with your volume on your end. Unmute you. You unmute yourself. All right. Shake your head if you know the date, September 3rd. All right, have a good day, Mr. Gojai. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Shanta Danielle Gantz, case number SP 156-83342. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I am present, Your Honor. I can't get no video up. Let me see. The host has Starcher.
Yo, Jerry, on behalf of Ms. Gantz, Your Honor.
Can y'all hear me now? Can y'all see me now?
I can see you now, Ms. Gantz.
I can't see you, Your Honor, but okay.
You don't have to see me. I have to see you, though.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Gantz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
For purposes of arraignment.
All right, go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
What did my teacher say? We can all sing at one time, but we can't talk. But she said it in a kind of a different kind of way. I'm going to enter not guilty plea on Ms. Gantz's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. She's sitting in a car now. You have that insurance paperwork for that car, Ms. Gantz?
I got the insurance paperwork for the car, but here's the deal, Your Honor. I do have it. Can I bring it in right quick? Because it's all on my phone.
Can you just show me?
I don't know how to show you. I don't know how to do it on this phone without hanging up.
Are you out in the parking lot, Ms. Gantz?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right, come on up, please. Then you can see me. You just want to see me. That's all. You just want to see me. All right, come on up, Ms. Gantz.
Okay, I'm gonna come on up.
4-3. Pass the matter. Mr. Gonzalez. Necesito interpreter?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you out, Ms. Gantz.
Okay.
All right, Loman is here. All right, let's wait. Let's remove Gantz. Loman is here. Let's see what's wrong. Terrence Norman.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good afternoon.
I don't see Mr. Loman on the docket.
Page 5,
I see
Your
it. I see it. I see it. When I say that, I know everybody tenses up. They're like, I've been here all day.
Where you based?
You don't have a driver's license, Mr. Loman, do you?
No, sir.
I can see that because he owes a no insurance civil infraction from back in the day, $258, Mr. Berry.
That's all.
You have $258, Mr. Loman?
Not right now. There's nothing down there yesterday paying off the ticket.
Down in the 36th District Court yesterday paying on tickets?
The sir came down yesterday.
I can't hear him.
I said, yes, sir, came down yesterday.
And you paid some money yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Well, you should have waited.
She didn't say that. She didn't tell me that. She said, I have court today, so.
Who told you to pay?
Yeah, you said I paid, sir.
Who's that in the background?
That's my wife.
How you doing, Miss? Is that Miss Loman?
Yeah.
How you doing? You're advising him?
Yeah, because I the one that gave him the money to pay.
I guess so, huh? You had to give him the money, huh? You want to make sure you went down there and paid with that money, huh?
Right. I want to get his stuff right.
Let's see. Well, he should have paid that $240. He should have paid that $258 with that money you gave him.
That's what I told the lady. She said he couldn't pay it till he go to court.
No, he could have paid it. I don't know why.
That's what I told you. I told you that.
What did you pay?
I gave it $12 yesterday.
Did you pay anything yesterday?
Yeah. $300, sir. 303.
And what's the number? What's the case number?
SP152-926-91.
Oh, you put a bond. That was a bond.
A bond?
See that any bond on here?
Well, that's what she said. What you mean bond? Yeah, bond.
It's not anything on SP. It's nothing on SP 152922691. All right, hold on. All right, hold on one second. Let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Rojas. Mr. Rojas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Let Ms. interpret, please.
Señor Rojas, llamaron a su caso otra vez. Dijo el juez que usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Señora abogada, ¿cómo quiere proceder su cliente?
Your Honor, this time we're requesting counsel be appointed on my client. He does have immigration rights issue, and I provided the court via the chat his phone number and an email for him.
Estamos pidiendo que le pongan un abogado a este cliente porque sí, tal vez hayan problemas con respecto a migración, y yo puse en los mensajes el número telefónico y el correo electrónico del señor Olvera Rojas.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Rojas?
¿Eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Rojas?
Sí.
Yes.
You need to answer the calls that you don't recognize.
Cuando lo llamen y no reconozca el número, por favor, conteste.
Okay.
One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. I'm going to have you back for pretrial on July 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. at 8:30 a.m.
30 a.m. Okay.
Entonces, una de esas llamadas, si no reconoce el número, puede ser el abogado, y la fecha para que regrese será el 22 de julio a las 8:30 de la mañana. Would that be by Zoom, Your Honor? This Zoom?
Yes, by Zoom.
Sí, puede regresar por medio de Zoom, el mismo número.
Okay, pero ¿qué día dijo? ¿El 20?
22 de julio. He asked me to repeat the date, Your Honor.
Okay, está bien, está bien.
Okay, that is fine.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Buena suerte, que tenga buen día.
Igualmente, gracias. Hasta luego.
Same to you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Just wants to show insurance. Okay. All right, let's see. Mr. Gonzalez, can you find out his case number? Because his name is not coming up.
Señor González, el juez preguntó que por favor diera el número de su caso porque su nombre no lo encuentra.
Okay. SP 15 45 20 91.
SP 15 45 20 91.
He's supposed to be here tomorrow.
Dice que la fecha para que se presente sería mañana.
Es mañana, tomorrow, mañana.
I'm sorry you had to wait so long. It's a trial tomorrow.
Que se le pide disculpas que tuvo que esperar tanto, pero mañana es la fecha del juicio.
Bueno, ok, está bien.
Okay, that is fine.
Mañana, ¿a qué hora me tengo que presentar?
So tomorrow, what time do I have to appear?
9 a.m.
A las 9 de la mañana.
A las 9 de la mañana. Ok.
Por el mismo, the same Zoom, Your Honor?
Same Zoom.
Por el mismo número de Zoom.
Ok.
All right, have a good day, sir. I'll see you tomorrow. And Ms. Cox, you know we're going to need an interpreter, so I don't know. Get on
If
top
I'm
of that.
requested, Your Honor, I will be available.
Very well. All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you both. Thank you, Ms. Cox.
Thank you, Your Honor. Entonces ya terminamos. ¿Tiene alguna otra pregunta? Si no, que se presente mañana a las 9 de la mañana y ojalá que tengan un intérprete. Yo le dije a él, si me lo pedían, yo me presentaba.
Ok. Sí,
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
La verdad, la pregunta es que la vez pasada tuve con un abogado y me dice que tenía que presentar el seguro del carro, y en vista que no lo tengo, como que podría hacer, como que voy a quedar.
So he says that last time that he did have an attorney that advised him about having insurance for the car, but he doesn't have it. So how is that going to work out?
We'll see tomorrow.
Mañana veremos, dice él.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Bye-bye.
It's the one that's taking this.
No, the other one.
Oh,
No, the other one. Oh. All right, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Terrence Wendell Lohman, case numbers SP 152926991. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Case number SP 152926991, City of Detroit versus Terrence Wendell Lohman. All right, Mr. Lohman, can you state your name for the record, please?
Terrence Wendell Lohman.
Mr. Lohman, I'll give you some more time to pay this ticket. I know Ms. Lohman wants you to get a driver's license.
Yes, sir.
Can you work, sir?
I'm on SSI, sir.
Okay. All right, you gotta pay this $258. If you pay this $258, then hopefully you can get a license. But I'll tell you that it'll give you clearances down here at the 36th District Court. If you pay the $258 on a no insurance civil infraction, not SP 9548922. Pay that.
That's what I thought I did yesterday, sir.
Well, I don't see it paid in here.
I got a receipt right here.
Yeah, the receipt that your wife called off was not, it was not in the system. It didn't have anything. That case was the case that I called SP 152, and you can't pay anything on that now because nothing has been assessed.
Also, no. We just got to pay the $251.
$258, no insurance, civil infraction.
Okay, I paid $252 this day.
I don't know what you did, sir. If you don't know what you paid, I don't know what you paid.
Well, I had a receipt that says balance zero. Balance due zero.
Yeah, you should know what you're spending your money on.
You're right, sir.
I'm looking out here. Oh, yesterday, 5/29, he paid a defective light ticket, $144. $5/29. He paid a drove through private property or alley to avoid signal ticket. You should have come to court. Before you went down there and paid it.
Yeah, well, every time I came, I mean,
now you still owe more money. You still owe more money. I'm just telling you the ticket that's affecting your license. You owe $132 on a no seatbelt. You owe $210 two times on a disregard a red signal, and that $258 on that no insurance civil. To pay the no insurance civil, and you should get a clearance from the 36th District Court. You could potentially get a license.
okay, what he got to pay now? How much for he to get his license?
258 on a no insurance civil. I can give you the case number.
And he had to have case number, right?
I'll give it to you.
That's what I thought for yesterday.
Yeah.
The lady, oh.
Okay, go ahead. What is it?
SP 954.
Wait, SP. Wait a minute. SP
954 8922.
Okay, SP 9, right?
954 8922.
Nah. Okay, SP 954 8922, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm gonna have you back on July the 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. All right. If you pay that, you come down there and pay that, you'll go wait 48 to 72 hours. If he doesn't have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, he should be able to get a license potentially. I don't know what his driving record looks like, but he's gonna have to pay that no insurance civil before he can get any action at the Secretary of State if he's eligible.
Okay, you said July 22nd, what time?
8:30.
8:30.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, Mr. and Mrs. Lohman, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
You as well.
All right. Peace.
Peace.